Hello everyone, and in today's video we're going to go over fixing a broken seat cushion. This is my seat cushion off my 2008 Yamaha AR230, and this is just like your plastic starboard seat base, that's what they call it, and of course it is cracked. When we bought our boat, I noticed after I bought it, of course, it had a little tiny crack that was about right here, and it is now spread over the past 3 years, and it's going to keep getting worse and worse. You know, I'm pretty sure just heavier adults walking on these seats is probably what does cause these things to crack, and we're going to go ahead and fix it today. So what we're going to be using are what's called a mending bracket. So as you can see here, this is just a piece of steel that has been zinc coated for corrosion resistance. Now it's not saying that it's never gonna rust. It'll rust, stainless steel will rust after some point, but it is zinc coated to keep it from rusting, to slow down the process. It also has these little, see if we can get a good view of it, it also has these little nubs on there. So once you tighten this down, these will actually bite into the plastic and just keep everything set. So you can get these anywhere. You can get these at Home Depot, Lowe's, Menards, Ace, probably get them at even Walmart. And then we're gonna be using a sheet metal screw right here. This is a number 10 by 1/2 inch. So it's a 1/2 inch long, number 10 is the size. And the reason we're using a sheet metal screw is sheet metal screws screw really good into starboard plastic. So if you got anything else you're using, sheet metal screw works absolutely fantastic. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna set our brackets down like this, and we're just gonna screw it in there. So here we go. So I got a couple of these holes already started. I usually put my drill on a low setting too as well. And I'll turn my chuck down because we don't really want it to spin too hard in there. So I got these two already started. There's one. There's that. Now another thing I was just thinking about is, since this does sit on the boat, we want to make sure that this bracket is not going to interfere anywhere where it rests on the boat. So let me go check this out in the boat and we'll be right back. So here's a perfect example of why it's important to check where you put these plates so they don't interfere with where they sit at on your boat. So I was going to put one right here at the end because it's pretty much almost, I'm pretty sure it's probably cracked all the way through. But this sits right there. So, let's see if I can get down low enough here to show you. So if I would have put that bracket right there, see where my thumb is? Now watch when I set this seat down. That bracket would be rubbing right there. And those Phillips heads would be right on there, and that would gouge the crap out of my boat. So we can't do that, but we can put that one where it's at, and we can put another one right there, and that's just it. Can't do any more, can't do any less. The only other thing that we could do is if we put this on and then put some heads over it. We just can't, because it actually rests right on here. So there's nothing that we can do, which is why we checked it. So let's go ahead and head back in. And actually, you know what? We're not even going to head back in. We'll just put the other one. We'll put the other one on right there. All right, let's test it. See how it sits on there. Sits nice. Do I notice any difference? Not really, no, but hey, it's working, so there we go. That was definitely an easy fix. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. Thank you guys for all your support and everything, and we will see you on the next one. Take care. Bye. Jet boat, baby. Jet boat.